Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Breathe better with steam inhalation. When you're sick with a cold or other respiratory illness, inhaling steam from a vaporizer device or a bowl of hot water may help. It can loosen up mucus in the lungs and sinuses, help with congestion, ease a sore throat, and improve voice hoarseness. /r/n/r/n. While steam inhalation is not recommended for children and clinical evidence for some of these benefits is lacking, it is a method worth considering. This article breaks down what this treatment can do, as well as how to do it safely. /r/n/r/n. Getty Images /r/n/r/n. Steam inhalation may be used to ease the symptoms of illnesses that cause congestion, runny nose, and sore throat, such as /r/n/r/n. There is significant evidence that steam inhalation before bed can help with sleep. One study of adult men found this practice to ease bedtime anxiety, shorten the time it takes to fall asleep, sleep latency, and improve the quality of rest. /r/n/r/n. Many people with upper respiratory infections, such as the common cold and sinusitis, have found steam inhalation helpful as a part of treatment. Generally speaking, therapy for these conditions centers on resting and drinking fluids while managing symptoms. /r/n/r/n. While steam inhalation doesn't kill viruses or bacteria, it may help with symptoms. While more research is needed on some of the purported benefits of this therapy, some studies alongside anecdotal evidence have found it to have clinical value. /r/n/r/n. 5 key benefits of steam inhalation for cold and sinus issues are /r/n/r/n. In the past, studies found that hot steam can kill cold-causing viruses in the respiratory system, as high temperatures can have that effect on them. However, an extensive review of the literature found no reliable evidence of this. /r/n/r/n. There are few adverse events reported with steam inhalation and no severe side effects to speak of. However, you can unintentionally burn yourself. Most often, this occurs when people don't use devices made for the task, and spill boiling water onto their laps or other parts of their bodies. /r/n/r/n. Because children and infants are prone to these kinds of burns, it's currently advised that parents and caregivers not try it. Also, extra care needs to be taken when working with boiling water in the kitchen to avoid burning yourself. Safety tips include /r/n/r/n. Using store-bought inhalers reduces the risk of burn injury, as the water is in an enclosed chamber. However, make sure to clean any filters and replace them when necessary, as dirty parts can house bacteria or viruses. /r/n/r/n. Burns can be very damaging to skin, ranging in severity from those that just affect the outer layer of skin, type 1, like sunburns, to those causing deeper damage, type 3. /r/n/r/n. Primarily causing pain and swelling, burns require emergency medical help when /r/n/r/n. Though steam inhalation can be done without the use of special equipment, there are many specialized inhalers available on the market. When using these, make sure to read the instructions carefully to prevent contact with boiling water. /r/n/r/n. Whether you choose to use a device or go it on your own. Here's a quick breakdown of what you do. /r/n/r/n. Anecdotally, many report that adding drops of Vicks vapor steam to the boiling water may help with decongestion and other symptoms. For less fuss, you can try inhaling directly from a large mug and dispensing with a towel. See what works for you. /r/n/r/n. Adding essential oils, such as eucalyptus, tea tree oil, and lavender, to the boiling water may help with symptoms. Some research has even shown some of these to ease inflammation and have an antibacterial effect on bacterial sinus infections. More research is needed, however, and there's a lot that scientists don't know. /r/n/r/n. Steam inhalation is a popular at-home treatment for symptoms of colds, sinus infections, and other respiratory issues. Sessions of steam inhalation have been shown to help with sleep and relieve voice hoarseness. Though evidence of how well it works is mixed, it may help ease sore throat, loosen mucus, and rehydrate the sinuses. /r/n/r/n steam inhalation vaporizers may be used. You could also boil water and inhale it from a bowl or large mug while wearing a towel over your head. Be careful, however, as there is a risk of burns, and steam inhalation is not recommended for kids or babies. /r/n/r/n, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.